I'll try to share the recordings with you, Shivam, if that helps you. Let me know if that sounds good to you. I'll share the recording with you if I have, so that you can go through the recordings and catch up. No problem. All right. And I have this challenges like back to back happening every single week. In case if some of you would love to repeat or something, let me know on the 5th day. I'll talk about it. Let me know with a yes, Shivam. Yeah. Thank you, Shivam. Thank you, Shivam. So people who took action, give me a yes. People who didn't take action, give me a no. No one is saying yes. Anvesha saying no. Budraj saying no. Others just let me know. Thank you for sharing it, Anvesha, Budraj. Others just let me know if you took action or if you didn't take any action, or else I'll straight away jump into a presentation where today I'll talk about how you can become a sales monster. Fan understand, sales is world's #1 skill. And when I say sales, it doesn't mean you have to go door to door. It doesn't mean you'll have to chase your prospect. It can be the other way around. Your prospect can chase you. All right. All right. Sunil saying no, no problem, no problem. I'll just share the presentation today and I have a very, very exciting message for all of you. In fact, I'll share how I have been able to get client references from overseas, London and New York. I'll talk about this in the session today. So stay tuned. How many of you are excited? At least type excited. Type excited. Type excited. I want all of you to type in excited. That yes, you're excited in the session. Type in excited, guys. Waiting for all of you. I want all of you to comment. Even if you have not taken any action, at least move your finger right now. Type in comment excited, that yes, you're excited for the session. And I'll reveal you how I got client references from London and New York without spending a penny. I didn't even spend $1, not even $1. And I got client references from London and New York. I'll be decoding this entire formula before all of you. Now, some amazing thing that I'll be teaching you right now. You know what? Your product is awesome. Always have this belief, self-belief that your product is awesome. Your business is awesome. You can help a hell lot of people. Never ever have any doubts about it. But you know what? At times, what happens? People don't communicate with you because your message is not strong. People don't engage with you because they're not getting the value that you are like very keen to add to their life. And sometimes it has got to do with their awareness level. It has got nothing to do with your product. It has got nothing to do with their own solution that they're looking for. It has got to do with the awareness level. So let me present you a thesis, a study which has changed my marketing. So there was a time when I was struggling to get results from my campaigns. I thought my product is awesome. The thing that I'm offering is awesome. And my target audience, the people, they were like dying to buy those products. Even then I failed. Even then when I failed. You know what? What was the big reason? The problem was in the message. The problem was in the message, and the message made the difference. And if you can at all focus on the awareness level of your prospect, you will do great business. Now, even before I open up about this awareness thing, how many of you are ready to get this wow moment? Type in WM. That means yes, Arun, bring out that wow moment. And I'm challenging you, if you just stay focused for another 5-10 minutes, I'm going to reveal you something that will dramatically change a hell lot of things in your business, your thought process, your approach, your mindset, your acumen, the way you control the marketing and the campaign of your business. Everything is going to go for a change. All right. Try and understand my message. When we are trying to sell something, it is very, very, very important we understand the awareness level of our prospect. Now, what do I mean when I say awareness level? This is exactly what I mean. So as per Jürgen Squats, there are 5 levels of awareness. There are 5 levels of awareness. Let me put this to a full screen. So what are these 5 levels of awareness? And I would request all of you to take a screenshot or a photo. It's so important. And to my mind, it is $1 million formula. Always try and understand out of these 5 levels of awareness, your prospect, your audience, he falls in which category. If you can decode this, I am telling you, you can become a sales monster. So what are these 5 levels of awareness? The first level is unaware. That means what? Your prospect is completely unaware of even the problem he's going through. He's unaware of the solution. He's unaware of everything. He's like at the lowest bottom, even he's at the root of the ladder, the value ladder, the awareness ladder. He doesn't understand anything. And your job becomes difficult to sell because his awareness level is like the poorest of the poor. You know what should you contain in your message? You should talk about the stories and secrets. If you understand your prospect is at an unaware level, you need to ignite his mind, his curiosity by sharing stories and secrets. Awareness level number 2. Your prospect is someone who's aware of the problem. He's not completely unaware. He's aware of the problem. You know what should you talk about? You should talk about the benefits and the anxieties.
अभी बनाना भी मत सरोज.
I'm getting a voice.
अभी
Can
बनाना नहीं.
can you just put yourself on mute? Okay. Thank you, Smita, for doing that. All right. If your prospect is at a problem aware level, you need to talk about the benefits and anxieties. Do not talk about anything else. Number 3, your prospect is someone who is not just problem aware, he's also aware of the solution. He knows about the solution. Maybe he doesn't know you, but he's aware of the solution. Now, don't talk about the stories and secrets. He is already aware of the problem. Don't talk about the benefits and anxieties. You need to talk about the claims and proof. You need to talk about the claims and proof. Number 4, your prospect is not just problem aware, he's also solution aware. In fact, he's one step up. He's also aware of the product. He exactly knows the product which can give him the solution. You need to talk about the discounts and deals. You need not talk about the claims and proof. You need not talk about the benefits and anxieties. You need to talk about the discounts and deals. Do not waste your time talking about benefits and anxieties because he's already aware of all these things. And the last, the most superlative level of awareness. Most aware, if your prospect is someone who knows everything, talk directly about the product and the price. Finish. You need not talk about stories, benefits, claims, and discounts or deals. Straight away talk about the product and price. Let me know in the comment area by typing wow if you got a wow feeling right now. Let me know in the comment area by typing wow if you got a wow right now. You know what? This is something most of the businessmen will not even know in their lifetime. Because you don't know what exactly is your prospect asking for. Because you're not aware of his real requirement. Try and understand, we all are at a different level of awareness. I'll give you an example. Say for example, you want to buy a mobile phone. Think about you. Your awareness level might be different from my awareness level. How come? You're aware of the best brand. You're aware of all the features. You're aware of all the latest models. You're also aware of all the prices. And if I talk about like secrets, the features, you will get annoyed because you already know all these things. You already know all these things. All right. So based on your awareness level, if I can straight away trigger your emotion by talking to the point, you will save time, you will close more, you will sell more. How many of you agree to this? Type in agree. Type in agree. Type in agree. Thank you so much, Shivam. I want all of you to participate, my dear friend. This session is something I'm telling you, do all the Google. Go and do all the Google. You're not going to find it anywhere. You're not going to find it anywhere. Because this comes out of experience. Years and years and years of experience. And I'm trying to give it to you for free. Problem with me is people are not action takers. My challenge is not going to help you at all if you don't take action. Now, some of you might have a problem like how to understand the awareness level of my prospect. How many of you are facing this problem? Like, Arun, I do understand that what I need to talk, but how can I understand? Type in yes if you have this question in your mind. How to understand what is the awareness level of my prospect? Type in yes if this is a dilemma in your mind. If this is a dilemma in your mind, type in yes, or you can simply say no, that no, I completely know what is the awareness level of my prospect. Type in yes, guys. Type in yes. I'll tell you the answer is very simple. The answer is very, very simple. The answer lies in You need to master the skill of asking the right question. Right question. Think about your experience when you go to buy a mobile phone. If the salesperson is very, very smart, the first thing he might ask you about, sir, what is your preference? How many of you have observed this? He asks about your preference rather than telling you, I have so many hundreds of varieties out here. He will never talk about the variety. He will ask you, so what is your preference? Are you looking for a specific brand? Are you looking for a specific model? Do you have a budget in your mind? He will not talk about the option that he has in his store. He will ask a question. How many of you have observed this? Type in me. Forget about mobile. When you go to buy a laptop, maybe a clothing, maybe an accessories, whatever you go to buy, if the salesman is smart, he will ask you the right question. He will not talk about his product. He will not try to sell anything. He will ask you the right question. You know why? Because he's trying to understand your awareness level. If you are already aware of all the features of all the smartphone, including the pricing, do I need to talk about the features? So why don't you try this? It has so and so features. If you're already aware of all this, maybe you're just looking for, can I get the best price? That's it. That's it. I can close you only if I can take care of the pricing point. So the answer is you have to master this skill of asking the right question. I want all of you to type in RQ because this is a very rare skill, but it's not difficult. It's not difficult because you already do business in a very great way. I believe, I completely feel that you're a great business person, all of you. You need to master the skill of asking the right question. 2-3 questions and you're done. And then you can talk about, you can pitch your product because now you know, now you understand him better. Always do this, always do this. Now there was a very famous case study in Harvard. There was a guy who went with his wife to buy a Mercedes car. And you know what he told his wife? You know what? I'm not going to buy today. At any cost, I'm not going to buy today. I'm not going to buy anything today. So like his wife was, okay, come on, let's go to the store and let's see if you can just get in more details or something. Let us just go to the store to have some fun and experience. Anyways, we are thinking to buy. If you don't want to buy today, it's absolutely okay. Let's go to the store. You know what? You know what? The salesman was so smart. At the beginning itself, he took his data like, sir, what's your name? What's your number? Because we have to do an enrollment thing and everything. He took all his data and he had a backend team. He gave all the details to his backend team. Within 5 minutes, the backend team got the complete information about that particular person on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. You know what? The social media and Google knows more about you than anyone else because you have shared all your data online. How many of you really agree to this? Type in online, or you can just type in OD, that means online data. Google, Facebook knows more about you than anyone else. Now, the backend team did all the research. They gave him some very important clues, and just in a piece of paper, they passed on to the salesperson. By that time, they were kind of giving him all the hospitality, offering him tea, coffee, and everything. You know what? Within 5 minutes, the salesman was ready, and he was like, he was talking like this, Mr. X, 3 days back, you had an anniversary, right? It was an amazing set of pictures that you shared. And I must tell you, you have an amazing family. He's not selling anything. Try and understand if someone is telling to you something like this and you're meeting him for the first time, the first expression is like, oh my God, OMG, how does he knows all this? Type in OMG if this will create an OMG moment for you. Type in OMG if this will create an OMG. And it is very, very easy. Very, very easy. Through some tools, you can actually understand everyone's behavior, interest. Now, I'll not elaborate on the story because I have something more to discuss. You know what? The same guy who was unwilling to make a purchase, he did the booking. He did the booking. How many of you found this story amazing? Type in SA. Like, story is amazing. Type in SA. Similarly, you can work on these hacks and strategies when you go for a meeting, when you go to meet a client or something. Go and do your homework first. Try and understand his interest, behavior, everything. What are his likes? What are his dislikes? Some of his personal details. Don't try to pitch him personally about his personal things, but say it in a subtle way so that he understands, oh my God, this guy knows a lot about me. Let me give him more time. This guy sounds interesting. And this is how you can become a sales monster. And the right way to understand the awareness level of your prospect is asking the right question. Is asking the right question. All right. How many of you are having fun in this session? Type in fun. Like you never get to learn all these kind of things in any digital marketing courses, seminar. This is something which comes from experience, my friend. And this is something which can be a game changer for anyone. Type in fun, guys. Let's have some fun. Nothing can happen in your life if you're not having fun. You need to enjoy your moments. Is it only 3 of you? Shivam, Aman, and Orgo? What about others? Type in fun, guys, if you guys are having real fun. Thank you, Anvesha, Orgo, Buddharaj, Kiran, Akash. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Aman. Thank you, Aman. Thank you, Kashish. Thank you, Aman. All right. Now, please try and understand the game. How I have used this game to get client references from London and New York. Now, you can establish your credibility if you write your first lead magnet, if your first ebook, a checklist, or a step-by-step guide. This is the best way to establish your credibility is by evaluating the fact whether or not you can help your prospect. If the answer is a big yes, that yes, you can add a lot of value to your prospect's life. No one can stop you to become credible. No one can stop you become credible. In fact, you will not have to compete with anyone. You can do business with zero competition. And I have done this. The game is awesome. If you create a hook plus lead magnet, you can create a lead pipeline full of leads. Now, my page has only 50 followers. I have talked about this. Case study of my ebook. My first ebook, I've written an ebook on personal branding, which is I'm kind of offering it for $10 out of India and close to 500 bucks in India. But for me, forget about the price factor or anything. It is nothing less than a digital asset for me. It is nothing less than a digital asset for me. All right. And if you're smart, you can just copy any of the lead magnet that is tried, tested, and proven. It can be my ebook. It can be anyone else's ebook, which is tried, tested, and proven. I can talk about my success story, what I have achieved from my ebook, and then it is up to you to decide whether you would like to get a copy or not. Now, look at this testimonial I got from an internet marketer from London. He went through my book, and he is someone who does 7-figure. When I say 7-figure, his earning is close to $1 million per month. And this guy, when he went through my ebook, his comment, if you can read this comment, he says, just went through your ebook, simply fucking awesome, man. And then I replied him back, super thanks, was apprehensive if I can even write at all. This was my first ebook. And you know what? I got references through him from London. Let me show you one more testimonial. He is Dan Burnser. He's from New York, Manhattan. And his comment is still on my timeline. If you want, you can go and check it in my timeline. There's nothing to hide. There's nothing to manipulate. This is what he has written. He's another internet marketer from New York, Manhattan. He says, thank you for taking the time and effort to make this happen. Really enjoying your book. Now, the last line made my day. Last line made my day. The best thing I have read in a long time. He's close to 65 years of age, over a 2 decade of experience in this internet field. He is saying this. This is the best thing I have read in a long time. And this is my ebook. I'll be honest, I was on cloud 9. How many of you would love to get testimonials from overseas at some point of time? Type in O, that means overseas. Type in O. Yes, you would love to get testimonials from overseas. And you know what? I got client references from London and New York without spending a penny because they were so impressed with my ebook. All right. So there is a video testimonial from Kolkata. What I'll do is I'll share this video testimonial in the WhatsApp group. You guys can check it out. She's Chainika Bhewaniwala, a hypnotherapist from Kolkata, and you must listen to her story when she went through my ebook. All right. Your digital asset can get you your dream client for free. That's why I want you to work on this strategy. Most of the gurus, trainers, and agencies will tell you, I have a strategy for you. Give me a lot of money. I'll get you all the results that you're looking for. All I'm trying to tell you is they will never guarantee you. The moment you tell them, can you guarantee me this in written? I'm willing to put in even 10 lakh rupee with you. Can you give me in written that this is the outcome I'm looking for and you guarantee this? They'll be like, I cannot guarantee you this. And I'm telling you, this organic game, if you play with all sincerity, you can end up getting your dream client for free. And you will also not just master the organic game, you will master the paid game. You'll master how to create presentation, your introduction, your emails, your sales letter, everything. It will change your perception of marketing forever. Now, all I want all of you is to do, create a testimonial bank. Create a testimonial bank. Now, let me ask you, how many of you would love to give me a testimonial? If you have like found even one thing out of this entire session? If you've been in my session, if you learned even one thing, how many of you would love to give me a testimonial? Just type in T. Just type in T. Just type in T that yes, you would love to, because at least you learned one thing. At least you learned one thing. Create a testimonial bank. All right. So you need to focus on this. If you can focus on creating a testimonial bank for your business, I'm telling you, you don't need any other strategy to grow your business. People would give you testimonial only when they are happy with you. No one is going to give you a fake testimonial. Let me ask you a question. Will you give me a fake testimonial if you have not found anything valuable, anything worthy in my session? Are you going to give me a testimonial? Absolutely no. That itself is a testimonial for me that yes, I am maybe adding a very small value to your life, but I'm adding. And I have all the right to ask for a testimonial from you. Similarly, you need to earn your right to get testimonial from your clients. That will be a guarantee that you are doing awesome. You're adding value to people's life. And that's how you create a testimonial bank, and you don't need to work on any other strategy. All right, interested about the book? I'll talk about tomorrow. Now let me talk about the game plan tomorrow. Let me see how many of you said Anvesha, Kiran, no. Most of you said T. 2 of you said no. It's absolutely okay. For people who said that you would love to give me a testimonial, what I'll do is I'll do a session of 10 minutes only with you, wherein I would like to give you something in return. I'll give you a testimonial template. You know what? When I work for clients, when I do campaigns, I give them an exact testimonial template. And I'll tell you the reason. Suppose if you're asking for a testimonial, you need to know what all things you need to cover in that testimonial template. Because if you miss out even one thing, even if you get hundreds of testimonial, it is not going to be effective for you, because your client is not aware of what he needs to speak about you, even if he wants, because he doesn't have that marketing mindset. You need to tell him, sir, can you include these pointers? Just give him a template and he will give you the testimonial, which is going to do wonders for your marketing. All right. So people who said T, let me know if you would love to get that testimonial template. What I'll do is I'll do a 10-minute, 15-minute session. I'll give you that template, exact template which I use with clients, which is worth thousands and thousands of rupees. I'll give it to you for free. All you need to do is you'll have to create a testimonial for me. So once you create a testimonial for me, only if you found any benefits out of the session, I'll give you that template. I'll give you that template for free. Let's do a barter. Let's do a template. You do something for me and I do something for you. No money involved. That's exactly what you need to do with your prospect. Works best. Absolutely, Shavam. I don't think I need to ask anything for free. No. I would rather be happy to give you something. I would rather be happy to add some value to your life, and then I'll ask for something. Type in TT if you would love to get that testimonial template. But the condition is you'll have to give me a testimonial. Then only I'll give you that template. Or else I'm not going to share that testimonial. All right. All right. How to create a Anvesha, that's not just your problem. That's the problem of most of the people. They don't even know how to create a testimonial. All right. So tomorrow I'll help you with this testimonial template. Tomorrow in the session, for people who will give me a video in the session, we'll do it in the session live tomorrow. You give me a testimonial live and I'll keep you in the session. Others who are unwilling to give me a testimonial or something, I'll request them to leave and I'll give you that template in the session itself. Sounds good? Type in game, guys, if this sounds good to you. Type in game. Yes, Arun, we are game for this tomorrow. Let us do this tomorrow in the session. It's a barter. Plain and simple barter. I'll never ask you to manipulate, because if you feel like Arun has not added any value to me, don't give me a testimonial. Please don't do that. I'll never ever ask you to do something for fake. Never ever. So you can be rest assured, I'll not ask for your testimonial. In fact, I would hate to get testimonial if I have not benefited you, if I have not added value to you. All right. So now for tomorrow, how many of you say that you didn't take any action today, but you will take action tomorrow? Type in yes. You have to do the same thing. You have to promote your offer. Type in yes, guys. Please do that. Please do that, because I'm telling you what's going to happen. At best, you will come out of your comfort zone. You'll try to do something. You might get result. You might not get result. At least when you walk out of this challenge, you will know the answers why your message is not working. Once this challenge is over, you miss the opportunity. All right. So for tomorrow, your assignments remains the same. All right. And in the evening session tomorrow, we will do that testimonial template thing. All right, that is what we are going to do tomorrow. All right, and thank you so much for joining the session. If any one of you have any questions, you can type it in the comment. I'm wrapping up the session very fast because I have given you an amazing value today when I talked about the 5 level of awareness of the prospect. That is like a golden nugget, a golden nugget. So even before you're starting any campaign, ask yourself, what is the awareness level of the prospect you're trying to get sales from them? All right. And if you can somehow crack this, there's no way that your campaign can fail. No way. Let me know if anyone of you would like to ask anything. Type in me if you would like to ask anything. You have some query, you have some doubt. Let me help you one-on-one live before I wrap up the session, or else I'll just sign off the session. Anyone having any question, doubt, or query, you can ask. You can type it in the comment. You can unmute yourself if you want. And regarding my ebook, how many of you would love to get a copy of my ebook? Type in me if you would love to get a copy of my ebook. Akash, Orgo, Kiran, I would like to learn from ebook. All right, Sharad. All right. So maybe what I'll do is I'll try to give you some amazing surprise on day 5, the celebration day. On the celebration day, maybe I'll just give this ebook to all of you. I'm not going to charge any money. Don't worry. I'll be giving this ebook for free on day 5. So tomorrow you have a gift. Day 4 you're getting a gift. Day 5 you're getting a gift. Type in T7 if you're committed to attend the session on Thursday 7 p.m. T7. You'll be getting this ebook for free on Thursday. All you need to do is go through my ebook, copy it, recreate it. Anvesha, we will be covering this tomorrow regarding testimonial. That's what I said. We will be doing this in the session tomorrow, 9 o'clock. Tomorrow your assignment is the same. Promote your offers. Don't worry for anything else. And you know what? I have a super surprise for all of you. Type in SS if you would love to know what is that super surprise. Type in SS. Type in SS. Type in SS. The super surprise is, make sure you attend the session tomorrow. That is on day 4. On day 5, I'll be giving you almost, I think, 7 bonuses. Drop in wow if you got a wow right now. My ebook is just one of that. I'll be giving you 7 super bonuses. So make sure you attend the session on Thursday. And I'm telling you, no trainer is going to do all these kind of things. And I do it because I am blessed to work for some of the best clients. I'm blessed to work with some of the best people in the industry. And I work with some of the clients, they give me full free hand when I work for their campaigns. And I love working for clients who give me like free hand. Think about this, when you will definitely enjoy your work when you get free hand, right? And that's why I am always in this happy zone. I am blessed to get these clients in my life. Best mentor ever. Thank you so much, Anvesha. So tomorrow I'll be giving you this gift of testimonial template. Do not miss the session. And on day 5, that is Thursday 7 p.m, I'll be giving you 7 bonuses. 7 bonuses, not 1 but 7 bonuses. Thank you so much, Sharadji, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, and I'm thankful to my mentor. Whatever I'm trying to give it to you, I'm kind of trying to forward whatever I have learned from my mentor to all of you. With I have no mindset to hold back anything. If I'm talking about lead generation challenge, I'll give you everything that I can give you. With nothing in my mind that I need to hold back something, I need to give you something. Why? My mentor has never taught me something like this. All right, guys. So let us wind up the session. Make sure you do not miss the session tomorrow as well as on Thursday. We have only 2 days left. Let us recreate some magic. There are 7 bonuses. Yeah, Orgo, all the bonuses are free. Don't worry. All the bonuses are free. And I do believe that if you really are looking for something valuable in your life, do not hesitate to invest. I'm giving you one very big advice, Orgo. Don't try to run behind freebies and free things in your life. You know what? What is the reason? I'm not saying that you are not going to get value in free things or something. Psychologically, whenever you get something for free, I can tell you, I can give you on a stamp paper, you will not even consume the content. You'll not even go through the content. You'll not even use it. You will not even implement it. I can guarantee you this in a stamp paper. I can guarantee you this in a stamp paper. I can give you this in a written with my sign that you are not going to implement it. You know why? It has got to do with the psychology. When you get something for free, And this will happen with me also. I'll never value it. Anyway, you're going to get it for free. Don't worry. This is my advice to you. Whenever you find something which can add value to you, come out of this mindset of, am I going to get it for free? Is it going to be chargeable or something? You need to ask yourself. When you go to a restaurant, when you go for shopping, do you ask yourself, can I get this shirt for free? Can I get this food for free? No. You're willing to put in money. Maybe your budget is different because you're getting something in return and you happily pay something in return. My advice to all of you is always come out of this mindset. Whether I'm getting things for free, always try and understand when you're getting something and you're not convinced about the value, stay out of it. Don't take. Stay out of it. If you're not convinced about the value, if you're not convinced about the outcome, no one is asking you to get it, right? It's all about mind game. Whatever you do in your life, it's 80% mindset, 20% skill set. No matter Arun teaches you whatever in your life, if you don't have that mindset, think about this. No, almost no one took action today. Can I do anything about it? No. I can push all of you to a limit. Beyond that, I cannot push. I'll continue with my job, with my responsibility. Yeah. Argo, my only request through you is to all of you a clear message. Come out of this mindset. Am I going to get things for free? What will you do? You have so many videos available for free on YouTube. You have so many content available for free on Google. Is it going to change your life? I don't think so. Because you have to put in a lot of time. And when things are available for free, we don't value it. All right. All right. So let us have some amazing moments for tomorrow and on Thursday. So tomorrow's session, the session will be at 12 p. 12. Anvesh, I didn't get you. 12 p.m. I never had a session at 12 p.m. I don't know what are you talking about. 12 p.m. is the time when most of you will sleep. So tomorrow is the session is at 9 p.m. Tomorrow is Wednesday, right? And on Thursday, the session is at 7 p.m. Type in clear, guys, if it is clear. Tomorrow the session is going to be at 9 p.m. On Thursday, it's going to be at 7 p.m. Do not miss the session. And you're going to get everything, all the super bonuses for free. Don't worry. But on Thursday, I'll talk about how you can be a part of a game changer, something which has changed the way people are doing business during the pandemic. And me and my team have already helped 1,000+ people. And that is the SBO community I'm talking about. There's no morning session, Anvesha. You have to complete your assignment. That's it. Promote, promote, promote. I'll in fact share the screenshot, what all things you need to do tomorrow. That's it. All right. How many of you would love to join my community of SBO, wherein I'll talk about the game changer thing on day 5? Type in SBO. SBO. SBO, SBO, SBO. All right. Thank you, Shivam. Thank you, Anvesha. Thank you, Akash. Thank you, Orgo. All right. So I'll talk about this on Thursday. Thank you, Kiran. Thank you, Madurai. Thank you, Sunil. Just enjoy a moment. Try and learn whatever you're learning. Implement. The more you take action, I'll be happy, because I completely understand and agree. Some of you will not be connected with me. It's not practically possible. Some of you will be busy with your life. I'll be busy with my life. I want you to take the maximum benefit that you can take in the next 2 days. I'll be more than happy. Even if I can make a very small, tiny little difference in your life, I'll be happy. I'll be happy. Don't, I can promise you one thing. I'll never be pushy about anything. I never push people to do something if we are not convinced about it. All right. So that's it from my side. We'll catch up tomorrow at 9 p.m. and on Thursday at 7 p.m. Thank you so much for having the trust. Thank you so much for joining this live session. Thank you so much for being part of this challenge. And this is an amazing bunch of people. This is an amazing batch for sure. And I'm going to have some amazing moment tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Thank you so much. Good night. Take care. Stay blessed. Keep taking action, because nothing is going to happen in your life if you don't take action. Only learning and not execution will keep the circle incomplete. Will keep the circle incomplete. Even if you fail, do not hesitate. Even if you fall, take the risk. You will stand again. All right. Thank you so much, guys. And God bless everyone. Anvesha, only by applying free for first 20 people, I started getting leads. Yeah, Anvesha, thank you so much for sharing. FOMO is important. Anyone else who got leads or something who would like to share experience? I forgot to ask this. Thank you for sharing this, Anvesha. Anvesha, can you unmute yourself and share your story? Anvesha, can you just unmute yourself? Madurai, did you do everything? Have all the assignments today? I didn't get a single yes in the beginning. No one said yes. Anvesha, can you just share your story? It's not unmuting. Just wait.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead, Anvesha, share your story.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, I can't hear you. Um, Hello, sir. Actually, like I applied, I did a promotion, like did I made a video of myself with photos and I wrote free for first 20 people. Like you said, for college students, earn this amount of money in this much of time. So I just did that. And then I wrote with bold letters, free for first 20 people. And by yesterday, I got so many leads. They were like, what is the work? I want to do it, etc.
So
So I was so happy, like within on,
how many leads did you generate?
like I generated 22 leads exactly.
All right, can we all just type in GBA? That means God bless Anvesha. You know what, Anvesha? I am confident whatever I am teaching in the 5 days challenge, it works in all the niche. Doesn't matter whether you're selling high ticket product, low ticket product, it works in all the niche. But whether or not you're going to get result would completely depend how much you take the assignment seriously, how much action you take. If you don't take action, forget
Yes,
about
sir.
Arun, even God cannot do anything. Even God cannot help
Yes,
you.
sir. That's true.
You have to take
Yes.
action. You have to take action. And I after a point I don't push people, because you know what? I know if I push a lot of people will take action. But after 5 days, they'll know there's no one going to push you. And that's why you need to take
Yes.
action on your own. Because I want to work on this magic throughout your life. Why only for 5 days?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you
We
so much
need to
for
push ourselves.
absolutely, absolutely. And thank you so much for being an action taker. Thank you so much for taking action, generating leads. And I bless that you be explored with a lot of leads and sales.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. So anyone else who would like to share their experience or story? Because we have 5-10 minutes, because we have already wrapped up pretty fast today. Anyone who would like to share their story, a story that can inspire others, a story wherein you found a value, a story wherein you found something as a benefit and you implement it. Anyone, let me know that there are more action takers in this group. Let me know that it was not only Anvesha, there are more action takers in this session. Anyone who would like to share the story, type in me. Type in me if anyone would like to share their story. It might be a very small thing. It might be a very small thing. I'll just share a story of one girl from Ujjain. I'll not reveal her name or something. So after 5 days challenge, she joined my community wherein I talk about joining 21 days challenge. So I'll be talking about this 21 days challenge on day 5. She joined my 21 days challenge. And you know what? It's a very small story for a lot of people, but that story is very inspiring for me. Very inspiring for me. And I'll share her story. That's true story. I was on a one-to-one call with her today this morning. So her husband is down with cancer. The finance of the family, everything is under doldrums. And it is a real story, and a story from the last batch of 21 days challenge. In fact, they are going through this last week of 21 days challenge. And I was on a one-to-one call with her. You know what? She's also a teacher. She is also a teacher in one of the schools in Ujjain. She wanted to do social media marketing. She was not even confident whether or not she can do something. And I told her only one thing. You know what? During pandemic, the awareness level of people has gone up like to sky high. We all know that doing business online is a must because our prospects are spending time on the internet. I suggested her go and look for clients. And you know what? And I want all of you to type in GB. I will not reveal her name for secrecy or something, because it's a very personal story. But if someone wants to connect with her one-to-one, let me know. I'll connect you with her. She got 4 clients, paid clients. She also received the money, and the 21 days challenge is not even over. She's still 7 days left with her into a challenge. She has already signed contract with 4 clients who will pay her every single month for social media marketing. And I'll be very honest, the amount is very small. She was pitching with a very small amount of money. It's not very big, because in cities like Calcutta, Mumbai, we can easily get clients who will pay us 25,000, 50,000, 1 lakh per month. But in small town, it's not easy. It's very difficult. And and she was so happy, even if the amount is so small. She was so happy, and she was like, Arun sir, I couldn't even believe that I'll be able to close 4 clients. Forget about 4. I was not even confident to close 1 client, and she closed 4 clients. And you know what? She made my day. The same lady who was struggling because her husband is suffering from cancer and everything, she's now transforming her life. And these are the stories that I want to create in my life through my teachings and training. It gives me more kick and happiness. It gives me more kick and happiness when I see someone is creating a success story the way Anvesha did. I'm happy for her, and I don't even know her. She got connected in this challenge through ad or something, or maybe through organic way. I don't even know her, but I'm happy to hear her story. All right. How many of you would love to create a success story with my community of SBO? Type in SS, success story. Type in SS. My advice to you, do not miss the session tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Because my focus is plain and simple. I want to create success story. I don't want you to sell my courses or something. No. I have in fact stopped selling my courses. I would rather be happy to create success story rather than selling my video courses and not even tracking whether or not you're taking action or not. No, that is not my cup of tea. All right. Thank you so much for sharing stories. Since no one else wants to share the story, let me just wind up the session. One last call. Anyone else who would like to share the story or something, a feedback or an experience or something, type in me, or else I'll just wind up the session. Type in me. One last call. Whenever get an opportunity, speak up. You will come out of your comfort zone. If there is even one small thing to share, share. Maybe you will inspire someone else. And that's the value you will add to someone else's life. All right?
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Hello. Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening. Who is this?
This is Raju Bitla, sir. Raju.
Raju. Go
Yeah.
ahead,
Yes.
go ahead, Raju.
Sir, actually, could you able to actually, I not received the yesterday's video and today's video, sir.
Okay, I'll share it in the group. There was some problem with the recording. Let me just check and I'll share it in the group. Don't worry. I'll share it.
Right, sir.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you so much, guys. God bless everyone. Good night. Signing off. This is Arun. Bye.